This is a product from TCL. If you haven't heard of them, smartphone maker, predominantly Chinese market smartphone maker. They did this trifold device, which they showed off a prototype. CNET got their hands on it. It has something on it called the Dragon Hinge. And this thing is just folding everywhere. It's folding this way and that way, up and down.
This is a tablet.
See?
Is this a tablet?
See what I'm saying? I agree. Like, it's huge when it's unfolded. It's definitely, but granted, if it's folded up and you hold it to your head, is it a phone now? It's all, maybe we're in the weeds. Who cares what it's called? Maybe. But nonetheless, this thing folds 3 ways. It looks like a phone form factor when it's folded up. It looks like a full-fledged iPad when it's folded out. Now, I immediately could tell this is very early prototype status when I watched the video. The screen, I'm not even sure it's functional. It looks like it might just be a printout or something. It's very early stage. They didn't say anything about price. They just wanted to show off the fact that they're folding many ways. They're folding every which way, and they obviously wanted to show off that aspect that they're in the fold game equally. Beyond that, it's kind of a cool thing to look at as far as a prototype is concerned, but it doesn't necessarily mean they're going to go out and make it commercially. I can imagine that product being very expensive to manufacture, also potentially even more fragile than what currently exists because of all these various hints. Like, look at the mechanics in that image right there. Of course, this is a frame from the video in which they're showing the inside of the device. 2 hinges. You got that's got to be more fear-inducing than 1 hinge when you throw it in the pocket. Now there's more mechanical components that could be susceptible to failure. So who knows if this thing's ever going to hit the market. But we do continue to imagine these alternative computing platforms. We had the Microsoft stuff, of course, with the Duo and Neo at that recent event where they also blurred the line between what is a tablet, laptop, phone, and so forth. And they didn't try to bend the display at all, though, in their products. Instead, they used multiple displays to achieve those new form factors. The TCL prototype, on the other hand, tries to get to that really big scale, but starting as a phone. And really the only way to get there is with this multiple hinge design. The 1 hinge folds both ways. That's what they're calling the Dragon Hinge. The other hinge appears to fold only one way, similar to the Galaxy Fold hinge. So it's inspiration from all over the place on this device. If you haven't seen it yet, you can go check it out. They even showcase within the video the potential for one of the folded segments to maybe be a software keyboard. It's all very interesting, but I don't think this device is ready or close to prime time at the moment. But nonetheless, the imagination continues in the tech realm.